Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you about the transcription unit. The transcription unit is present in a DNA molecule. It's involved in transcription. Already you know the transcription means the process of copying of genetic information from DNA to RNA is known as transcription, or the synthesis of RNA molecule from DNA is known as transcription. So transcription unit is present in DNA molecule. It consists of mainly how many regions? Three regions. What are they? There one is promoter, second one is the structural gene, and third one is a terminator. Okay. First of all, you have to know about this promoter, the promoter and terminator. The promoter and terminator flank the structural gene in a transcription unit. The promoter is located towards the 5' end upstream of the structural gene. It is DNA sequence that provides a binding site for RNA polymerase. Okay, so next one, the terminator. The terminator is located towards 3' end downstream of the coding strand. This is upstream of the coding strand. The promoter is located towards the 5' end, whereas the terminator is located towards the 3' end of the coding strand. Okay, so here diagrammatic representation. Look at here. This is how many strands are there in a DNA molecule? 2 strands. What is the polarity? One strand polarity 5', 3'. That opposite strand polarity 3', 5'. So among these two strands, one of the strand is act as a template strand. The template strand polarity has 3', 5'. That another strand is not involved in synthesis of RNA molecule. That strand is known as a coding strand. The polarity of coding strand has 5', 3'. Okay, na? What is the polarity of template strand? Template strand is, which strand is involved in synthesis of RNA? Among these two strands, template strand is involved in synthesis of RNA, not a coding strand. What is the polarity of template strand? 3', 5'. What is the polarity of the coding strand? Coding strand polarity has 5', 3'. In transcription, only one strand is involved in the synthesis of RNA. Whereas in replication, both the strands are act as a templates. Please remember, that's important for objective point of view. In replication, both the strands are involved. Whereas in transcription, only one strand is involved. In replication process, the one DNA molecule gives rise to two DNA molecules. Whereas in transcription, one strand, the small segment of one strand of DNA molecule is involved in synthesis of RNA molecule. So promoter is located towards in which direction? Towards the promoter is located towards 5' end. Okay, of the coding strand, and this terminator is located towards 3' end. This is a transcription unit. Promoter, terminator, structural gene present. So where the promoter is located? The promoter is located towards the 5' end of the structural gene, upstream of the structural gene. It is a DNA sequence that provides binding site for RNA polymerase. So this is also important for objective. Please remember. Which of the following transcription unit provides binding site for RNA polymerase in promoter region, not a structural chain or terminator. Where the terminator is located, the terminator is located towards the 3' end of the coding strand. It is usually defines the end of the process of transcription. There are additional regulatory sequences that may be present further upstream or downstream to the promoter region. The strand that has the polarity 3', 5' act as a template. Okay, already told. The strand that has the polarity 3', 5' act as a template strand that's involved in synthesis of RNA molecule. The other strand which has polarity 5', 3' act as a coding strand, which does not code for anything. So sequence of the coding strand same as RNA except thymine at the place of uracil. Look at here, this is a diagrammatic representation of the DNA molecule. The few nitrogen bases. Here we are represented DNA molecule. The template strand polarity 3', 5'. The coding strand polarity 5', 3'. In a small segment of the template strand, the nitrogen bases. The few nitrogen bases here we are represented. What are they? Adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. 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 Opposite to the adenine, in opposite strand, which nitrogen bases are present? Already have learned about the structure of DNA molecule. The adenine is paired to the thymine with the help of 2 hydrogen bonds. Thymine is attached to the adenine. Guanine is attached to the cytosine with help of 3 hydrogen bonds. Cytosine is paired to the guanine. Adenine, thymine. Okay. So these are the nitrogen bases in opposite strand. What is the name of this strand? Coding strand. Okay, this segment of the template strand is involved in synthesis of RNA molecule. Okay, here the newly synthesized RNA strand, the nitrogen bases, opposite adenine, the which nitrogen base is formed the uracil. Opposite to the thymine, adenine. Opposite to guanine, cytosine. Opposite to cytosine, guanine nitrogen base is formed. Opposite to adenine, uracil. Okay, opposite to thymine, adenine. Opposite to guanine, cytosine nitrogen base is formed. Opposite to cytosine, guanine. Okay, next succeeding nitrogen bases, the adenine, opposite adenine, which nitrogen base in RNA? Uracil, thymine, opposite adenine, thymine, opposite to thymine, adenine, opposite to the guanine, cytosine. Here, opposite cytosine, guanine, opposite adenine, uracil. Opposite to thymine, adenine. Opposite to the guanine, cytosine. Opposite to the cytosine, guanine. Opposite to adenine, uracil. Opposite to the thymine, adenine. Opposite to guanine, cytosine. Opposite to the cytosine, guanine. Nitrogen bases are formed. So the RNA molecule is synthesized. This RNA polymerization, synthesis of RNA molecule in which direction? 5' to 3' direction. Okay, now the RNA molecule is synthesized from the template strand. This is the newly formed RNA strand. These are the nitrogen bases. If the nitrogen bases are adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, ATGC, 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 ATGC in a template strand. So which enzyme is catalyzes this polymerization synthesis of RNA molecule? The DNA dependent RNA polymerase enzyme is catalyzes the polymerization. Polymerization means the synthesis of new strand, new chain, polypeptide chain. Okay, this is also important for objective point of view. Please remember both the things. Which enzyme is catalyzes the polymerization of RNA? The DNA dependent RNA polymerase. Whereas in DNA replication, already have learnt about that. DNA replication, DNA dependent DNA polymerase enzyme. Okay, based on this concept, regarding subjective point of view, the few questions we will discuss here. Mention the regions of the transcription unit. Already know that. What are the regions in transcription unit? Promoter,